Hi, Gary here, with another heroic wisdom post. Mental toughness is today's topic. One of the over 600 personal development books featured in the Heroic platform is by Jason Selk. He says, from a mental standpoint, the most tried and true way to increase performance is to improve confidence. Self-talk is one of the most influential agents for honing self-confidence. Although he focused on elite athletes, the principle applies to everyone. In his opinion, the essence of mental toughness is the ability to replace negative thinking with thoughts that are centered on performance cues or that contribute to improved self-confidence. Our minds cannot hold two different thoughts at any given time. That's an exciting fact. And if we're committed to peak performance, it's an invitation to replace negative thoughts with positive ones, quickly and consistently. This technique is called thought replacement, and it can be applied in any setting, not just sports. It's a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals and improve your performance. To learn more, take advantage of the free 30-day access to the Heroic platform. Use my profile link or go to dfy3.com. Take care, keep moving forward, and thanks for listening.